Right now at 4, USC offers a multi-million-dollar settlement for women accusing a former campus gynecologist of sexually assaulting them. But some say this deal isn't what it seems.
NBC4 News at 4 starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Carolyn Johnson.
And I'm Michael Brownlee. Big questions this afternoon in the wake of USC reaching a settlement with the women who say they were victimized by a longtime gynecologist on campus. Scores of women have already filed separate lawsuits and may not accept this settlement. NBC4's Patrick Healy tells us why. After speaking to the legal teams representing the victims, he's live for us in Exposition Park. Patrick.
Michael and Carolyn, in fact, several of those legal teams tell us they think this agreement is premature. They do not plan to join it. But just months after the resignation of its president, USC is hopeful this agreement will enable the university to move beyond the scandal that has affected so many. Just a day before USC announced the new agreement to settle the class action lawsuit, yet another group of women have come forward with legal actions against the university, alleging abusive treatment at student health services by MD George Tyndall, the center's longtime gynecologist.
This feels like such a massive moral failure of higher education. Tyndall and the university must be held accountable.
Now a move by USC to resolve at least some of these claims that have taken a toll on not only the university family, but its community standing. USC has negotiated an agreement in principle with one firm for a class action settlement that could include potentially all of Dr. Tyndall's patients at the health center. The settlement would provide a minimum of $2,500 for every patient ever examined by Dr. Tyndall at the health center, and potentially as much as $250,000 for all, totaling as much as $215 million. Stated USC's interim president Wanda Austin, today's announcement is an important step forward, but it is only the beginning of our journey, unquote. We sought the opinion of an attorney not involved in the case.
This early settlement by USC is clearly a tactical maneuver to, number one, reduce the potential financial liability on the case, and number two, it's to preserve USC's image.
Claypool said USC is taking a risk that plaintiffs will not join the class settlement. In fact, this afternoon, one of their attorneys, Vince Finaldi, told us they won't.
No, it doesn't affect our plans in any way. It came as a bit of a surprise this morning because there was no word of it in the community. But yeah, it doesn't change our plans.
Finaldi and his law partners have already filed cases on behalf of some 160 women. He questioned the value of a settlement negotiated before any legal discovery to find out the facts. Now, this proposed class action settlement still does require a judge's approval, and we will hear more from the plaintiff's perspective coming up in our next report. For now, reporting live from USC, Patrick Healy, NBC4 News.
Patrick, thank you.